Hello everyone and welcome to another tutorial video. Today in this video I am going to show you how to sign up a Hotmail account. And please don't forget to like my videos and subscribe my channel because it will help me a lot. To those of you who don't know, Hotmail has changed into Outlook.com, and if you try to go and type Hotmail in the web address, you will be automatically redirected into Outlook. To create a Hotmail account, open any web browser in a desktop or mobile device, and in the web address bar type hotmail.com. As you can see, you have been redirected into Outlook. So in the bottom right of the screen, you may see create an option. Again, click on that. Now try to create the email for your account and choose the Hotmail option from the drop down menu over there. Try to create a strong password for your account so that no other could hack your account. Your first name over here, last name. Click on next to continue. Your country and region from here, select down from here your country and region. Your birth month over here. Click on next to continue. Enter the character which you see in the screen. Click on next to continue again. Select the country, the phone number which you normally use. Now it is trying to send you an access code. Check your phone and type the access code in the screen over here. Click on next to continue. And if you did not get the code at once, as you can see, you may have seen the option of I didn't get a code over there. Click on that and it will send you a code again. And that's it. You have created your Hotmail account. Thank you for watching our videos. I hope you find it helpful, and don't forget to like my videos and subscribe my channel. Thank you.